In this activity, we will demonstrate why water doesn't fall out from an upside down glass. For this activity, we need glass of water and cardboard. Place a piece of cardboard on top of the glass. Hold the cardboard in place and turn the glass upside down. Slowly take your hand away from the cardboard. We observe that water stays in the glass and doesn't fall down. There are three reasons for this to happen. First, the air pressure outside of the glass is greater than the pressure inside the glass and greater than the force of gravity acting on the water and the piece of cardboard. Second, there is a low pressure inside the glass caused by the gravity pulling the water in the glass downward slightly, thus increasing the volume of air in the glass. Increasing the volume of air decreases its pressure. There is also a force called surface tension that occurs between water and the cardboard, which makes the surface of water to behave as a stretch elastic and prevents the cardboard from detaching from the water. Due to these three reasons, the piece of cardboard remains intact, preventing the water from falling out.